have to act as soon as you're during the Berlin crisis. I was experienced with that Nebraska for Reamer Warner Incorporated. He worked on the street. Last morning, especially DC 3-1 aircraft. As he comes off around that big old ramp, look at that beautiful blue sky over Keesler Air Base. You can see the footprints happening out there now. Herb used to demonstrate this aircraft and got it built, but carrier landing. Demonstrated the capability of the T-28 Trojan aircraft could be a carrier-based airplane. It was a carrier-based airplane with tail hook. He said it was so loud that can't be able to do go around. He decided, well, I'm not going to do it anymore. And their pictures stood up the smoke rings down there. Unique sound of the T-28 Trojan, but he calls it set up the way it is. The aircraft did was rebuilt between 1992 and 96. His first flight was back in April 24th of 1996. Of course, after that 4-year rebuild.
I keep losing it.
Oh,
you see it? He went through the circle.
The airplane down there shows that line. It's a unique weekend uptrip. It's something like a tootsie roll.